Welcome back to Money with Sofia. Let's build your dream life with smart money tips. Faceless YouTube channels are growing faster than ever. Many creators are building channels, gaining views, and earning money online without ever showing their face. And the biggest reason behind this trend is AI. In this video, you'll learn how beginners are starting faceless YouTube channels using AI tools for scripts, voiceovers, and editing. And the best part is you don't need experience, expensive equipment, or filming skills. Let's get started. The first step is choosing a niche. Some of the most popular faceless YouTube niches include finance, motivation, facts, storytelling, and AI tools. These topics work well because they don't require a personal brand or face on camera. The key is choosing a niche that people are already searching for. The second step is creating your script. This is where AI tools like ChatGPT can save you a lot of time. Instead of writing everything from scratch, you can generate video ideas, outlines, and full scripts in minutes. Many creators use AI to consistently produce content without running out of ideas. The third step is creating the voiceover. You don't need to record your own voice. AI voice tools can generate natural-sounding voiceovers from your script. This allows you to stay completely faceless while still creating engaging videos. The fourth step is creating the video. AI video tools like Pictory can turn your script into a full video with stock footage, text, and visuals. You simply paste your script, and the tool helps build the video for you. This makes the entire process much faster and beginner-friendly. The fifth step is creating thumbnails and visuals. Thumbnails are one of the most important parts of getting views on YouTube. Tools like Canva allow you to create clean and clickable thumbnails even if you have no design experience. A strong thumbnail can significantly increase your click-through rate. The final step is consistency. Most faceless YouTube channels grow because they post consistently over time. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to keep uploading and improving. Many successful channels started with simple videos and improved as they went. Faceless YouTube channels are one of the easiest ways to start an online business today. With the help of AI tools, beginners can now create content faster than ever before. The most important step is simply starting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below for more ways to earn online.